You're lying. You're
I
lying.
live with my
because-
grandma.
Really?
It's a 4v1. What are
I
you
can
supposed to
call
do?
her right now. Call her, but you're living in her house, so why are you calling her?
And there's a toilet to
You want me to walk downstairs right now and wake her up?
And like has scratches.
Yeah, you know what? Go wake her up.
Big,
Keep it
but
though, okay?
good internet. Headphone wearing. What, dude?
I'm
Yeah, I think-
I hope you're happy about what just
Yeah, I am
happened.
fucking happy.
Nigga,
You
shut the
happy.
fuck up.
You're
Oh my
protecting
God.
the wrong
Boundaries
side
photo.
here, dumbass.
You XL.
You called me.
God, no one fucking cares.
It is not.
Okay,
Everyone says the
yeah.
N-word.
Just because I say a couple bit of racial slurs doesn't mean nothing.
Oh wait, actually,
Nigga, there. I said it. We can do it.
Actually, it
Where's mine?
Calm it down, violence is not the answer, guys. Come
I
on.
know, right? He's getting offended by the
Come on,
N-word.
guys.
wait, who's
Come on,
gonna
guys.
get her over
Just
the N-word?
fingers.
These three people that can't take the N-word somehow.
They were just saying the N-word.
Yo,
What?
you know what? I'm gonna block all these
same
guys.
person, bro.
Me and you are the
Nigger,
same.
nigger, nigger, nigger,
I'm
nigger,
trying
nigger,
to
nigger,
start the way
nigger,
with this
nigger,
guy.
nigger.
Even a mute person would say the N-word like this guy.
Okay.
Holy shit, we are the
I
same
don't
person.
I promise I did nothing wrong.
Yo, I'm trying to stir this shit up like a pot of fucking juice right now.
Wait,
How the fucking juice
the
get
Let's
N-word,
prove
you
it.
fucking
If
idiot.
you're
Shut
I'm
up.
having a good morning
Prove
because
it, I'll
the N-word, because they called me the N-word. You still call them the N-word, dumb. He called me a nigger. Apologized right after.
Gonna like fucking bottle.
I wouldn't listen to someone else that pronouns as fucking zaddy. Are we fucking
Apologies,
serious?
You're gonna do anything, dude.
Oh, they clocked yo.
He does have a point. He does have a point, dude.
He does. He do. Loki got that point though.
Boy, he's crying, boys. Guys, stop
dude.
fighting.
See, now you gotta zip it like and put it in your pocket, my dude.
Axel, this isn't someone that you probably don't even know either. You do what you fucking want, Axel. Nope.
Shut up, nigger.
Look, you can see the tear. You can see the nut coming down.
So
Hi,
you're
guys.
defending
I thought we
some
were gonna have
random
a
that
good
you've
morning
never
today.
ever heard of before. Because he's wearing a robot avatar.
Yeah.
Whatever. Monotone
Your
avatar.
usernames were relatable.
This could have all been avoided if you
See
kept
how
your
she's
mouth
not
shut.
denying it either? See, this is why
Bro,
you're
person's
fucking
name
is iGoon today
I'm
with a
just not listening
Kanye
to you
West
guys 'cause
user
I really
icon, bro.
don't care. You guys can keep complaining. I
Wrong with it or
don't
what?
care.
It's yay. It's literally yay. Get it right, you larper.
What? I did.
Oh my God,
I'm
you're using his
bitch ass
nickname.
nigga.
You're such
Fuck
a
you,
larper.
bitch ass
Yay,
nigga.
jackass.
Fuck you, bitch ass nigga.
It's Kanye West. Because when you go onto Spotify and search up Kanye West, that's his profile picture.
Puppy the most ultimate nigga,
Nah,
Kanye
it's
West.
Kanye West.
Let's get him.
Larp,
West.
larp, larp.
Yeah, you're not Kanye. You're not Kanye. You probably
You're
got
not
Kanye
Kanye,
from
you're not Kanye.
Boy.
It's yay.
Clock buddy, get the fuck out of here. You're not clock.
Yeah, you're a
Yo,
larper.
I
You
never
probably
thought to
listened
see the
album
troller get
Boy.
I don't larp.
fucking
I'm telling you, I do not
Yo, is
larp.
that another
You're
A?
not gonna leave us. You're not gonna leave
Larper,
us.
he is a larper.
Hey.
The tables have definitely
See,
fucking
this guy's
turned.
such a larper, bro.
What the fuck?
Well, yeah, he's a larper.
Good.
That guy's a larper.
Well,
That's
I'm
me.
just
No, I'm
not
talking
talking
about-
we
bro.
going. We
No, 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 no.
Dude, Raven.
Who's
Eddie,
your
are you
bro?
killed that
Turn
nigga.
like there he is.
Eddie, are you dead ass gonna let the tables get
Just
turned?
oh wait, you're a PC user.
It's not
Oh,
true.
this fucking-
It's already gone for you.
I'm not a larper. I'm not a larper. I'm not a larper.
Cheating on you.
Yo,
Don't
this
ask
is
why I'm
the
green.
history. How the fuck this went
Don't
on
ask.
at the tables like this?
Okay.
Okay.
The fuck up!
Wait, you gonna get a heart attack?
My God, you're jumping in a conversation that you don't need a part of.
They
My
flipped and turned
please.
it. Turned around.
Go do some better things you can do instead of defending some random.
though, bro.
The fuck a Raven.
Get out.
Glitch is your bestie?
Did I do? Get out.
Really?
Glitch is-
Actually, Spinosaurus is weak where it could die.
And I'm not, so you're gonna defend him over like
night.
I don't even know what the fuck you mean by that. They're fucking clocking your ass.
Like
I'm
you're
having a
poser, like
conversation
you
with
don't.
him, telling him that he's
Yo,
a
they
bitch ass boy, right? And you're like, no, stop hurting him. Stop hurting him.
You should not be calling people that. No matter